How to connect Instagram account to another Facebook account. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First thing first, you have to launch your Facebook. Make sure that you are logged into your account which you would like to connect to your Instagram. Then access the menu page. Tap on the gear icon. At the section, tap on See More in Accounts Center. Then you'll see Profiles. Tap it. At this section, tap on Add Accounts. Then at this page, you will be able to see Instagram. If you don't see your Instagram, then you can go ahead and tap on Not You button here. And it will direct you onto a page like this. Here you can get logged into your Instagram account and connect to it. But in case the Instagram account that you see here is correct, tap on to continue. Then you can also go ahead and select the date of birth, tap continue, and likewise follow the on-screen prompt in order to connect account to each other. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and if it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.